Igbo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji niil on the kwezonu?
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndebanya, Namekelonu. I'm with ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakon, aka the digital makeup artist, and you're tuned in for another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand the roots. We're gonna give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so let's give it up for Chris. All right, so thanks, Chris, for sending in your name for today's Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. I'm gonna link Chris's information in the description below because he's also a fellow photographer, so check out his work, support a fellow photographer. So I asked Chris to describe himself, right? And so Chris said that a recurring theme in his life was overcoming devastating challenges. So I gave him a perfect Igbo name for that. Ifeanyi Chukwu. Come on, say it with me. Ifeanyi Chukwu. Good. So you ready to translate that name together? All right, cool. So Ife means, in this context, it means thing or something, right? And Anye means like, Inye means like if something is heavy, right? It's for something to be heavy to you or for something to be difficult to you or something like that, right? And so when you say Anye, it means like it won't be too difficult or it won't be too heavy or too onerous, you know what I'm saying? And Chukwu means God. So when you put all that together, Ifeanyi Chukwu means nothing is too much for God. Nothing is impossible for God. So I gave him that name because it's in line with his theme of overcoming devastating challenges and always coming out on top. And that is because nothing is impossible for God, and God also gives him the strength to continue to overcome. Ifeanyi Chukwu. And the short version of that name, which you've probably heard a lot, very common Igbo name, is Ifeanyi. So Ifeanyi or Ifeanyi Chukwu. So Ifeanyi Chukwu's names give them the power to be courageous, industrious, and reliable. Tag and share this video with all the Ifeanyi Chukwus that you know. Thanks. So Ifeanyi, or aka Ifeanyi Chukwu, is that a fitting name for him? Did I get the translation right? Let me know in the comment section down below. Please like this video, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this Igbo Name of the Day series. If you want an Igbo name, let me know and I can gift you one if you don't already have one. I'll send you a Instagram DM, or you can hit me up on any of my social media. It's going to be in the credits at the end of this video. My Instagram is also linked below. And I will give you a fitting Igbo name based off of traits that you have, your relationship with God, the way your family and friends would describe you, you know, things like that. So that's how you get a traditional Igbo name. If you already have an Igbo name, let me know and I can feature your name on the Igbo Name of the Day. So please share this video with people who might be interested in African culture. Hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I post a new video. And of course, subscribe to this YouTube channel. And just continue to interact because it helps the YouTube algorithm. Thanks. So I'm looking forward to hearing back from you guys. All of your feedback in the comment section goes a really long way. And I appreciate you watching this video. And I appreciate your continued support of this YouTube series that highlights Igbo, African, Nigerian names, right? So thanks a lot, take care, and I will see you in the next video.